Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. Today in Xenia Wallet new quiz start in X star campaign and I will provide you all the answers of the questions. First of all, click on missions button. Now click on X star. Here you see new quiz start from 7 to 12 and I will provide you all the answers. Click on start quiz. Quiz number 7, the correct option number 1. Click on it and click submit button. Here you see I earned 100 gems as a correct. Click on continue. Now quiz number 8, the correct option number 3. Click on it and click submit. Here you see I earned 100 gems as a correct answer. Click on continue. Now quiz number 9 and the correct option is option number 3. Click on it and click submit. Again earn 100 gems as a correct. Click on continue. Here you see quiz number 10 and the correct answer option number 2. Click on it and click submit. Here you see I earn again 100 gems. Now quiz number 11 and the correct option number 2. Click on it and click submit. Again I earn 100 gems as a correct option. Now the last quiz number 12 and the correct option number 1. Click on it and click submit button. Again I got 100 gems as a correct. So I provide you all the answers of the questions. Hopefully you enjoying the video. Kindly like and share my video, and if you still not subscribe my channel then subscribe it. Goodbye friends.